जिस देश में यह धारणा हो कि सपने देखने का हक सिर्फ अमीरों को है, उस देश के गरीब अपने बच्चों को डीपीएस, डीएवी जैसे आलीशान स्कूलों में पढ़ाने का सपना कैसे देख सकते हैं। वो जानते हैं कि वो कितनी भी मेहनत कर ले, महीने की उनकी कमाई इतनी नहीं कि वो आलीशान प्राइवेट स्कूलों की फीस भर सके। अमीरी और गरीबी के बीच चौड़ी होती खाई की सबसे बड़ी वजह भी यही है। बीपीएल परिवार के ज्यादातर बच्चों की पढ़ाई बीच में ही छूट जाती है और वो रेस में पीछे रह जाते हैं। रिक्शा चलाने वाला, टेम्पू चलाने वाला, दाई का काम करने वाला, किसी के घर पे गार्ड का नौकरी करने वाला, ये ऐसे तबके हैं जो सपने में भी नहीं सोच सकते हैं कि उनके बच्चे प्राइवेट टॉप के कॉन्वेंट, डीपीएस, डीएवी जैसे स्कूलों में पढ़ पाएं। लेकिन आगे जो हम आपको दिखाने जा रहे हैं उसे देखकर आपकी आंखें भी खुली की खुली रह जाएगी। आप में से भी ज्यादातर लोगों की आमदनी का एक बड़ा हिस्सा अपने बच्चों की पढ़ाई पर खर्च होता होगा। आगे की कहानी आपको बताएं उससे पहले आपको कुछ दिखाते हैं।
Naila, can you explain about combustion? What is combustion?
A combustion is a chemical process in which oxygen reacts with a substance to produce off heat.
To produce oxide of that substances.
Yes,
And
sir.
also produces heat and
Light.
Can you give some example of combustible substances and non-combustible substances?
Combustible substances like wood,
Wood or
coal, petroleum,
petroleum. Very good.
and non-combustible
And some
substances.
non-combustible substances.
Iron,
Very good.
metals.
Very good. What is rapid combustion?
Those substances are rapidly gas produced are known as rapid
That substances rapidly catch fire.
Yes,
For
sir.
example,
that like cotton
and
and
Petroleum substances.
petroleum substances, LPG,
alcohol, spirit, etc.
Yes, sir.
What is spontaneous combustion?
Spontaneous substances are known as
Substances which
yes, sir.
get fire automatically.
Yes,
है ना?
sir.
Without
जैसे
any induction.
yes, sir. जैसे
Like
कि
for example phosphorus.
white phosphorus.
Thank you.
अब आपसे लाख टके का सवाल, आप अपने दिमाग पर जोर डालकर सोचिएगा, ये किस स्कूल के क्लासरूम का दृश्य है।
Cartesian product of sets, if you remember, we have considered two non-intuitive sets A and B. What I define you, A cross B. Suppose set A is given as 1, 2 and set B was what? Say 3, 4. So the entire background about the Cartesian I have already discussed with you. But what is the method to get the Cartesian product of sets, children? Yes, this is what? 1, 3, first ordered pair. You know that? Then what? 1, 4. Then children? 2, 3 and 2, 4. This is the Cartesian. Why it is called Cartesian product? Because we are representing the element in the ordered pair. And this ordered pair we can reflect on what? Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. This first order is called what? Who will tell? First order. In coordinate abscissa. What about the second? Ordinate. This is the simple method to get the Cartesian product, isn't it? Any number of elements, whatever is there.
केंद्र और राज्य की सरकारें हजारों करोड़ रुपए हर साल सरकारी शिक्षा को सुदृढ़ करने के लिए खर्च करती है। बावजूद इसके आज कोई भी अपने बच्चों को सरकारी स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ाना चाहता है। लेकिन अगर सरकार चाहे तो क्या कुछ हो सकता है?
So my name is Vivek Tigga and I am a student of class 12th. So I have come to the school after giving the entrance exam, which was, in my opinion, very extraordinary effort from the government while taking in admission in a government schools. And I think this school is a direct competition to the private schools as in infrastructure or studies or teachers, faculty, everything is directly in competition with the private schools as studying in Delhi in JMJ.
JMJ, दिल्ली।
Delhi.
अच्छा, फिर आप कैसे आए यहाँ पे, क्या कहानी है उसके पीछे की?
Sir, my parents got shifted here in Jharkhand.
Okay.
So after 10th, I came here for admission in schools. So when I came here, my father told me to go in any private school or any other school. But when we heard about that the opening is there is an opening in government school which is started by the government of Jharkhand. We felt curious about the school. Then later we got to know about the faculty, the features that the school was providing. We were fascinated that how a government school is providing this much facilities without taking any fees.
Okay.
So hearing that, we came to the school and gave the entrance exam. I am sir
you're
here
from
only.
Jharkhand?
Yes sir.
ओके, तो अभी आपको क्या लगता है कि आगे आप क्या कर पाएंगे जीवन में और क्या बनना है, और यहाँ से पढ़ के आप आगे किस तरह से आगे जाएंगे?
Sir, I think people have a perspective that government school cannot match the level of private schools. But I think this school will change the perspective, as the information that the teachers give and the techniques that the teacher teaches in the school are nevertheless from the private schools. And I think students from the school will excel in their life.
ओके,
I feel very thankful to him that he provided us this school without taking any fees, which is very hardly to find anywhere. I think this is a dream come true for the people of middle class and lower middle class who can't afford a large amount of money on their children's education. So I think I am very grateful to him.
ये स्कूल, ये क्लासरूम, ये बच्चे, ये शिक्षक सब सरकारी हैं। झारखंड की हेमंत सरकार स्कूल ऑफ एक्सेलेंस यानी एसओई के जरिए हजारों गरीब परिवार के बच्चों को एक नई ऊंचाई दे रही है। अगले हिस्से में आपको दिखाएंगे कैसे डीपीएस, केराली डीएवी जैसे प्राइवेट स्कूल के बच्चे अब सरकारी स्कूल में एडमिशन ले रहे हैं।